Hey everybody. So again, if you're watching this video, it's likely that you just need a little bit of extra help or you're checking your answers to make sure that they are correct. So we're going to solve this problem. We have a left side, we have a right side, and possibly the most important part is the explanation because that's where you're telling your teachers what you're doing and what your thought process is. So again, when I look at these problems for the first time, I'm going to look. Is there any fooling that needs to be doing? In other words, is there any distribution that we need to take care of? In other words, are we getting rid of any parentheses? And there are none. Now, the next thing I always ask myself is, can we CLT any of these? Can we combine any like terms? And that is a big 10-4. We can combine like terms. So I'm going to put CLT there, so that way your teacher knows you're combining like terms. So I have 3x, I have a negative 6 plus 1. So here it's 3x. What's a negative 6 plus 1? It is minus 5. And you would not believe it, but one of the more common mistakes that people make is when we're working with integers. A lot of people put, oh, 6 plus 1 is 7, so it's the negative 7. A negative 7 plus 1 is a negative 5. So here I have a negative 2x and a 5x I can combine. So if I have 5x, think of it as 5x minus 2x, I get 3x. Or if you want, you can think of it as negative 2 minus, or negative 2 plus 5 would still give me plus 3. And then it's a minus 5. So, whoa, wait a minute. This is mind-blowing. Now, do you see how 3x minus 5 is on the left side? And you have 3x minus 5 on the right side? And we can continue to work this problem out. And, we can try that because maybe your teacher wants you to work it all the way out. So I can minus 5 from both sides, and I get 3x, and I get 3x. But you see how they're equal yet? And if I divide both sides, divide by 3, notice how I get x equals x. So what does that tell me? It tells me that it is infinite solutions. And I would just suggest you type that in there. And you might say, well, why should I type it in there? X equals x, right? Well, what it does is it tells your teacher that you understand that what it means, that x equals x. In other words, I could plug 2 in, negative 2, 0, a million. I could put any number in place of x, and it would always come out equal. So it's infinite solutions or many solutions, however you want to say that. And again, as always, if you work through this problem and you're still a little confused about some things, make sure you ask your teacher for a little extra help. Thank you.